Hi guys, welcome back to our Wixel series. Previously, we've learned how to create a document with Wixel and how to customize it. Today, we are going to talk about how to adjust your document settings. So, let's get started. So, of course, go to Wixel.com and go to My Projects. Look for the document you want to work on and click on Edit. And you'll be taken to the Wixel beta editor where you can customize it. Now on this top right corner of your document, click on the focus view icon. This is in order to see the options on the action bar, and that option that we're going to click on would be the document settings option. This panel will open on the left. So here you can set up your page setup according to your preferences. So you can choose your preferred format. So it would be fluid, A4, etc., etc. So in my case, A4, since I'd like my audience to print this out. Also, you can select your preferred content width and select your vertical margins setup. Moving on, you can also um, edit your background color. So you can change it to a solid color or an image if you want to. Next, you can set up your buttons. So you have two versions of your buttons that you're going to need to set up. So the normal version and the hover version. So go ahead and work on it. However you'd like your buttons to appear. And then finally, we have images. So this will be how your images will be presented on your site. So you can select your preferred corners, preferred border width, and preferred border color if in case you'd like to add any border colors to your images. Once you're done, you can safely close this window and your changes will automatically be saved. If you do want to share or download your document, you can go to share and download here on the top right, and you'll see a preview of it. You can click on create a shareable link, or you can post it directly to your social media platforms. Apart from that, you can also download it to your PC by clicking on download. And that's it. Hope you found today's video of help. If you need more Wix tutorials, check out our channel and consider subscribing as well. Thanks so much for watching, and we'll see you guys in the next video.